So I have this camera from Xiaomi. This is S1S Cat's Xiaomi camera. So in my case is this problem. It doesn't matter what I do in the application. They say it in Chinese. I mean, front or door. We have to another door in our apartment, and we are in the middle. And if the neighbor here or here try to find the key and open the door, and stay about 1 minute from the door, the camera recognize, okay, somebody is there, and say in Chinese, hello, welcome at home, please ring the door or something like that. So now I don't want to hear this one. I want to just, if somebody want to take something from our door or something like that, I want to just see that. I mean, it's bad because I want to disconnect these speakers from here. This is the cable. On first one, I open 4 screws from here. On I push really carefully this flat cable in, and then I can disconnect this cable from here. And it's work like this. This you push up here, something up, and then you can put out. So pull out. And this speaker is here, and this is a microphone here. And this is a speaker, and I want to disconnect this cable from here. Then he can't say something, welcome, something like that, you know. One of the bad things is if I want to talk with somebody, then I can't say something because he can't hear or she can't hear me from the door. But this is not problem because this camera I buy from China, AliExpress. I think about 180 euro. I mean, Google in this case is too much better, but in my case I have a hole on the door here. On these cameras especially come here in, and I can install the monitor or something like that. And in Google I can't because the Google, all of the devices stay outside, and it's really big and have a light and flashing, something like that. So the camera what I'm talking about is this one. So and it should be actually nice camera, but I'm not really satisfied with that. It's okay, but can be too much better. Too much disconnected. Said internet is not available or something like that. Internet is there, but they can't connect with the internet sometimes. Today's, I think, 4th or something like that, August 2024. To now, we don't have any update that they can turn off this speaker with a software. That's why I do with a hardware something here. Okay, I changed my mind. Now I'm going to install something here. I make a carefully a hole. It's aluminium here. A hole here. Unfortunately, I don't have a really thin cable here. It's the cable what I have in car for emergency. To soldering here, so I bring the cable from here out because there is enough place for that. So left and right is a hole for the screwer. There's a flat cable for data. On the cable I want to install here for speakers between the cable. On if for far away I want to talk, if somebody's on the door, then I can remotely install a relays. I can remotely control with the internet, And if I turn on, the cable will connect from outside, so something like that. When the speaker is connected, I can talk. If I'm finished, then I turn off the relays. When the cable is disconnected, when the speaker doesn't work anymore. That's be better because sometimes you need to talk with somebody's on the door post or something like that. So the cable don't directly here to the socket, come here outside to our relays in future, and from here go back in the socket. That means not directly connect. If I don't want, speakers turn off. If I want, speakers on. So if you want to see inside, I'll disconnect the camera here. So you see here light sensor, light for night vision, on the button for ring. So all of this thing. Fortunately, we have enough place to do all of this update here. But I think the camera is actually really big. It can be much smaller, maybe kind of that. It's too much free space here. Look at that inside. I don't know why they invest too much place here for nothing. In my case, it's good because I can upgrade, but it can be nice if it's smaller. It's too big. It's really big.